My Range Rover L320 2013 plate, it kept giving me a suspension fault on the dash. So I went into 4x4 info in the middle screen, and this is what I could see. So all four wheels, they have got 4 height control sensors. They give information to the ECU, and this is how you control the height of the car, the air suspension. So if you notice in this live data, that bottom right hand side wheel, it keeps going up and down even though the car is stationary and it's on a solid ground. So look at that, it goes up and down, which means that sensor is either giving the wrong info or there's a problem with some electrical cables or wiring. And what happened is ECU takes this information in, and because the information is fluctuating so quickly, like in this case, it gives you the error message on the dash, just like this. Suspension fault. Could be amber or could be red. So what I did, because the main dealer, they were quite pricey, so I went to JGS online and I ordered the OEM sensor, which is close to the genuine one, for the rear right hand side. By the way, the left hand side one is the same sensor in my case. So what I did, I put the car on these brakes. I know it's not safe, but this is the best I could do. So I put the car on these brakes, I used the old rug and I went underneath the car, and there's a sensor behind this airbag. The white connector you can see, that's the sensor. So it's being held using 2 T25 screws, and this arm goes up and it's attached with the body, and you simply push in and pull out that arm. It's just got rubber grommet in it. So I used WD-40 in a hope that I will take these screws out, but they kept spinning. They kept spinning because inside the sensor there's a metal sleeve which becomes free from the body, and it kept spinning. So it was a mission, because while underneath the car it wasn't easy to do, but I managed to cut them free, both screws. It wasn't easy, I'm not a mechanic, but I managed to do it. It took me longer. So these are the T25 I used, and hacksaw, the small one, to cut the screws. And look at the screw, that's what I mean, there's a metal sleeve inside, it becomes free and you can't pull it out easily. So you need to prepare yourself to cut the actual screws. So I put the new sensor on, there was no need to do calibration, and this is the old sensor, and the car is up and running fine. Height is absolutely fine, there's no warning, and it cost me about £55. Not bad, to be fair, and it's been running okay now.